A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. I will show you the pictures of certain things that we used in our daily life. All these things are made up of different types of metals, right? Which are the major types of metals that we commonly used in our daily life? Yes, gold, silver, copper, aluminium, iron and so on. And we also learned about many major properties of metals such as metals have less rust property, metals have generally hard, metals conduct heat, metals conduct electricity, metals can be stretched into wires and that property is called ductility, and metals can be beaten into thin sheets and that property is called malleability. Before the invention of metals, early man used sharp rocks and wooden sticks for hunting and earning food. But the burden of labor was minimized when metals began to use in its place. The development in the field of agriculture and industry are the result of invention of metals. Today, when we look at the world around us, we can see different equipments ranging from pins to aeroplanes which are made up of different types of metals. But have you ever thought how these metals are extracted from nature? Do we get them directly from nature the way they are used? So today, through this chapter, Production of Metals, we are going to find the answer to all these questions. The chemically reactive metals are found in the combined state while the relatively unreactive metals found in the native state in the earth crust. The metals like platinum, gold, etc. are generally unreactive metals, so they are found in the native state in the earth crust. The metallic compounds generally seen in the earth crust are called minerals. There could be many minerals having the same metal. For example, bauxite, cryolite and clay are some of the minerals of aluminium. But all the minerals cannot be used for the extraction of metals. There are certain characteristics possessed by the minerals in order to use them for the extraction of metals. And it includes abundance, easily and cheaply separable, high metal content. So, the extraction of metals from a mineral is possible only if it satisfies all these properties. Now, do you got a clear idea about the minerals? If so, now we are going to learn about a new term, ore. A mineral from which a metal is economically, easily and quickly extract is called the ore of the metal. We discussed three minerals of aluminium, right? And which are they? Bauxite, cryolite and clay. But among these minerals of aluminium, only bauxite possesses these properties. Hence, bauxite is the ore of aluminium. So, we can say that all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Now, with the help of a table, we can discuss some important metals, their ores and their chemical formula. First metal is aluminium. Ore of aluminium is bauxite and its chemical formula is Al2O3 2H2O. The second metal is iron. Ore of iron is hematite and magnetite, and the chemical formula of hematite is Fe2O3 and chemical formula of magnetite is Fe3O4. Next metal is copper. The ores of copper include copper pyrites and cuprite. Chemical formula of copper pyrites is CuFeS2 and the chemical formula of cuprite is Cu2O. The last metal is zinc. The ore of zinc are zinc blende and calamine. The chemical formula of zinc blende is ZnS and the chemical formula of calamine is ZnCO3. So now, do you got a clear idea about the main ores? Now we can discuss about metallurgy. Metallurgy involves all the process leading to the separation of pure metal from its ore. The whole process of metallurgy takes place through three stages. And I will show you a flow chart showing these three stages. The first one is concentration of ores, then the extraction of metals from the concentrated ore, and finally the refining of metals. We can study more details about each stage in our coming classes. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.